Yeah, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure out what this is doing now. Or you don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure out what I'm doing. I'm a rocket scientist, you know. I know exactly what to do, what to smell for, just what to look for to get to the rats. Yeah, I'm Louis the rocket science dog. And smell every leaf on the ground, whether it's green, beige, brown, gray, or whatever. I'm Louis the rocket science dog. So if you want to know anything, you ask me. I have to do a piddle, and here comes Deazy. Deazy, my mate. Yeah, oh, now I have to do a shit in front of your camera. That's not scientific, is it? Oh, no, Deazy's doing a shit as well. How come? This is crazy. We're doing it in unison. We must be brothers of some sort. Twins. Not twins, though. Like the tree twins there. Here comes Lumdy-Dumdy-Dumdy-Da. Hey, Master, how you doing? We going to the beach? Or we're heading to York's Knob? Well, whatever. I'm with from the party. Okay, hop day. Good one. I liked it. That goes to show I can move. I already lost half a kilo of weight. I move much better, freer. That was proof. Now, who's gonna step over first? 1, 2, 3. Here comes me. Watch me. Alright, I'm looking at it first, and then I go. What I do? I walk, I step over. Come on, step over. Deazy. Come on, Deazy, step over. Show me how you can move. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Master, don't rush me. I know how to do it. I'm just trying to think of something funny. All right. Hum-dee-dum-dee-dum-dee-da, hum-dee-dum-dee-dum-dee-da. Come on, Louis. Deazy, come on, hurry up. Don't wait there like a statue. What are you doing that for? The master's getting a bit frustrated. Come on. Here we go. Look, I'm coming back to check you out. Luigi. Ah. All right, what you gonna do? Let me. I go. 1, 2, 3. Don't you trust me, hey? Don't you trust me? Come on. That's the boy. That's the boy. Finally, you made it. You made it over the barrier. Deazy, you're pretty good. And now you're stopping again. What are you stopping for? Are you smelling something beautiful? Yeah. Ah, Deazy, always stopping. Why do you do that? We're trying to get right up to the sandy spit. And then we can run like crazy. But you always sniff and sniff and sniff. And you take it so relaxed, as if there was some sightseeing going on. I don't understand you. Look, there's a bit of a camp. An abandoned camp. I think last time we saw a tent here. Oh, look, there's another barrier coming up. Who's going to jump across that one? Ah, Louis, what are you sniffing now? Have you got something of interest? You really smell a rat, do you? Do you really smell a rat? Is that what you're doing? I fiddle on it. I don't believe you anymore. You and your tricks, eh? You don't know what you're doing. At least I know I'm going to step over those branches. For once, ahead of Master, I don't have to jump. Yeah. This is always the same. You little catcher. Look at that. Is that a campsite or is that a fireplace? I think it's just a rubbish dump. And nobody there anyway. But boy, this is a lovely place to be. Yeah, absolutely. You could have a holiday right here. And cook some meat. Good chicken carcass. Yeah, I like chicken carcass. And I like beef bones. Yeah, me too. No more soft food and pellets. They make you fat. Oh, that makes it difficult for me to step over. The dogs do it with such ease. Help me though. Wow, it's like walking in the Sahara Desert. Sand everywhere. And soft. Boy, hard walking. Not really. It's beautiful. We're nearly at the beach. Yeah, let me pass, Master. I have to chase Deazy to the exciting beachfront. We'll be there very soon. Yeah, Master, you're in trouble, aren't you? You have to crawl under. Oh, shitty. There we go. Made it. Look at Deazy. Master, look at this. It's in the water. It's cooling off. How good is that? It's trying to lure a crocodile. But there aren't many crocodiles. Well, it's time to come out, Deazy. I don't want to see you cut in half by a croc's jaw. You big fat chocolate, I need you. Deazy. Luigi, don't be so worried about me. What are you munching, eh? What are you munching? What on earth are you eating? Come on, give us a look. What are you eating there? Oh, you finished it. Now what? You left me nothing. Except paper and smell. Luigi, I don't appreciate that. You should have left a little bit for me. You little strudelwoods. There's nothing left for you. Let me have the little crunchy munchy. The package looks like a Kentucky Fried Chicken, but there's nothing much left at all. Hello? Anybody home? We want to see you again, mate. Are you home? We're here to say hello. Oh, there's a bit of water. Looks like you got a dog here too. Nobody home. Well, that's a shame. It looks so nice. Good order. Pity. Louis, come on, let's go to the beach. Nobody there. Come on, boy. Let's go. Yabba dabba doo. We're at Yorkie's Knob Beach. And if you look over where I'm looking, that's Holloway's. That's where we've been yesterday. Right over there. See the aeroplane going down? That's where it is. Now I'm gonna have a doodah swim. Yeah. Plunging in. Running down the steep embankment. That's it. That's what I like. Louis is always with me. Yeah. Up I come, ho, ho, ho. Well done. Yeah, isn't Deazy already fit? Fit for a king, fit for his new land. Next time at low tide, we go back to Deazy's Island. Won't we, Deazy?
Yeah, sure. You want to have a lot of fun next time we go there? Could be as soon as tomorrow. Yep.
Alien Master, let's go to the end, to the very end of this beach, and see what's there. Maybe some treasure we can find. You never know. Come on, Master Frank. Let's do it. Let's check it out. Come on. Come on, Deazy. We're going with Master. Little bit into the water. What bit of acting?
Now I'm going to sit down. You can come, you can walk, Louis.
Come on, you two. Come on. A little bit. Oh, I'm sitting down. I don't want to get wet too wet, that is. What's on the front outside there today? Sometimes you follow me, dog. It's exciting. Exciting water, waves, body surfing, everything. Come on, a little bit. Forget a little bit, come on. Come on, you two. Hey, oh, move. Yeah, it was a mad block. It wasn't a work show.
Yeah. Yeah, funny light, isn't it, Master? Look. Louis playing again.
Look at it. Look at there. Like a soccer player. He's coming right over to show me. Hey, Master, look what I got for the work show. You want me to film? Want me to put you on video? I'll play with the Welk shell. Go on, you do that. Yeah. I want to see the action. Luigi. Yeah, you're doing really well. Yeah, 1 goal, 2 goals. One more time. Roll it around. Yeah, right between my legs. You're nearly getting there. 1, 2, 3. Ha ha ha! Kicked it out like mad. Now, me the better view. Yeah, bit of here, bit of there. Bit everywhere. Kick. And fight. And dig and bury. Everything's to go. Yeah, gonna dig it in. That's where it's supposed to stay, the web shell. Ha ha ha! Don't get that. I can do it. I can still be a good soccer player. Among the dog teams, yeah. The dog FC Dogs cans against FC Dog Portville. Ha! I will win. I know I'm a goal kicker. I'm one of the best. Take it from me. I've got experience. I'm German. I learned that in Germany. Yeah, look there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it goes over here. One more time. Yeah. Can still do it. I don't want to eat it. It's too hard. Yeah. Oh, I'm the champion myself. I'm the champion player.
Yeah, it's a funny light today. No direct sun. Everyone just He just missed Louis playing with the Welk snail. Oh, he's fuming. Hey, Luigi, can you do that again? Would you do that again for me? If I find you a Welk?
It depends if you find one for me. Otherwise I sit there like Ditch is having a good time, isn't he? Just sitting there, staring into the distance with no sunlight in the sky. Hey, play with it. Play with the fan one. Fan one, play with it. Now, show me that you're the soccer king of Germany. That's it, you roll it, and you scroll it, and you dig it, and you fling it, and do anything you can to impress the judge, which is Deazy. This is the judge, I hear this. I have to do a bit more fancy footwork. Bit more fancy if you come a bit closer. Don't eat it. Play, come on. This is the judge who's watching. He's judging you. Keep playing. Ah, Louis.
Let's cross this river. Go to those big eucalypt trees, paper marks. From then on we cross the river again and go home, I guess. I just know everything. My master is thinking. Yeah. There you go. On the mainland again. Here we go. Checking out those people that fish. Maybe we should ask them for feed. They're friendly enough. Yeah. Look at that. Just look at that. So close, yet so far. We could swim across, but then we wouldn't have transport to go home. We would have to swim across again. No, we're not going to do it, are we? No. Let's see what Louis is up to. Hound. Okay. How you going? Not too bad, thanks. I thought the dogs might talk to you when they walked by.
How do you get here? Did you just walk?
Yeah, from York's Knob. Yeah, just along the beach.
Yeah. Where's Deazy going? Deazy, where are you going? We have to go back. Look at that lovely road. Where does it go to?
I don't know. Strange here. First time I'm here. I wouldn't know. Let's walk along the road for a kilometer and then we head back, eh? Good idea. Look, that's still at York's Knob. So people come here with cars by the looks of it. Look at it, it's quite nice, isn't it? Yeah.
Come on, Deazy. Look at those lovely trees. I want to climb up one of those trees. Can you climb, Deazy? You have big claws. I'm sure you can do it like a koala. You're brand like a koala. Why shouldn't you climb like a koala? Look at that. That's a real eucalypt paperbark forest. Wow. Never been here before. It's the first time. Wow, that's great. But I guess we'll soon hit the sugarcane. Sugarcane and we turn around and go back. Okay, master?
Yeah, absolutely, Louis. I'm sure our master takes us back. He just wanted to find out what is here in store. There you see. Told you. That's sugarcane. Sugarcane. Look at the vista. Beautiful. There's even a plane coming in. We go to the mango tree. We have a little bit of rest there and then we go back. Right? Right. Where were you, huh? Chasing a wallaby, huh? You hounds. It took me 5 minutes of calling out to get you back. You naughties. Alright, let's cross the river and go home, huh?
Yes, master. We enjoyed chasing the kangaroo. That's what you call a bit of exercise. Not walking with you. We want to do a bit of running and lose weight quickly. So you should run with us, right?
Come on, don't stir him up. Don't stir up Master Frank. We're going home now. You little strudelwoods. Was your idea to chase the kangaroo? Not me, I just followed you. Yeah, look at me, Master. Lovely beach, that's where we normally go, that beach. That's Holloway's Beach. But, haha, I'm so hot. I just want to wallow in the lovely crocodile-infested water. And I couldn't give a shit. I'm so hot. Yeah. I look like a crocodile myself, don't I? Hidden in the water. And he's go crunch. And he got me now. I'm just kidding, Adam. I'm not that foolish. I know what crocs look like. They just come so up so silently. Just look at that lovely beach over there. Isn't it great? Alright. Time to move. Isn't it, Louis?
Yes, sure is. Let's cross that river before the high tide swallows it all up, eh? There's another airplane coming. Ah, how beautiful is this when the sun is out? Just beautiful. That's Holloway's Beach where we normally go. That's the Tomatoes Creek. Ah, I love it. And that's me there. Yeah, I'm still cooling off. I'm not ready to go yet. But, well, that was fun. Louis is always the initiator. I just tag along for the fun of it. I need to lose a bit of weight anyway. Yeah. Where's he going? Luigi, are you coming into the water as well? Oh, once Harley sees that, you're a little bit water shy. Not like me. Yeah, look. You can film me from all positions you like. I'm still dizzy. I'm still the king. Look at my tank. Beautiful, isn't it? Well, water tastes salty, I can tell you that. Alright. Master, come on. Stop talking. Let's go. Yeah. Look at this. He's still sitting in the water. Ha ha ha. He was chasing the wallaby like crazy. First me and then him. I kept up the scent. I knew where it was going. Deazy just followed me. Yeah. I'm the true hunter. True hunter, Louis. You should give me a plaque for that. Yeah. But now it's time to go home. Let's cross the creek. Let's cross the river. Deazy will follow for sure. Slop, slop, slop. That's the German rhythm of a good water dog. Slop, slop, slop. That sound rhythmically. Look at drummer. If I was a German, I would hit the drums fast. With my German precision. Here comes Deazy. Sitting down again. They must be really hot. Come on, please. Get off your haunches and follow us. Come on into the view. Into the view. You're doing really well. Yeah.
Yeah, I know I'm doing well. You'll have to tell me. Boy, did I enjoy that run. I really got that. That's what happens when you You speed up the metabolism. You just get hot, and that's what it is. And you go to the water and cool down. As simple as that, isn't it? Yes, totally what you know everything better, but I tell you, I enjoyed it. I enjoyed racing after that wallaby. I think I might go into the water. I think I might, yeah, it's tempting me, yeah, buddy. Wave slapped me in the face, but I don't care, at all. I'm in the water. I told you I would go into the water, even through the woods. Had enough water. Let's go back. Alright, let's go back up to the track. A bit of cool off. Aha! That's right, master. Let's go back. Well, that was child's play. Child's play. You expected me to do a mighty jump, didn't you, Master Frank? Ha!